So is it possible to make ChatGPT or Claude to trade for you? Since I've been posting videos about OpenClaw, a lot of people have been coming up with this question and they want to know whether you can actually make AI to trade on your behalf. So I demonstrated exactly how I do it, what kind of tools I use. And maybe that was a little complex for some people, the setup. So I will explain in this video. I will show you some of the simplest ways you can do. So I will break down two methods, one more basic and another one a little more advanced. However, even though the second option might be advanced for you guys, still, you can do it all with AI now. You don't need to know anything complex, really, because AI does all the work. So if you have enough patience to just sit down and explain to the AI, to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini what you want, well, you're going to get the result. My name is Greg BTC, and if you're enjoying this content, surely subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I know it costs you nothing, but it means a lot for a content creator like myself. So I appreciate it if you do that. And also, I will not leave you without any goodies out of this video. So I will give you guys some the hottest deals in crypto right now. If you're trading cryptocurrency or you're trading stocks or whatever, you want some good deals in the markets, I will give you guys some gems before we leave or before we finish this video. So I'll also try to keep this video very, very short as much as I can. But here's the deal, right? Let's just get straight to it. So we're looking at Bitcoin here. And for a lot of you guys, you do have a ChatGPT account or you have a Claude account. And mainly the way a lot of you guys use AI is that you use these language models as just conversational agents. You message them and they sort of talk back to you. But then you wonder if this can be any useful for trading. And a lot of you guys have also seen the growth of AI trading. People like me now have completely shifted from manual trading, AI trading, which is bot trading. And I think genuinely, if you're not automating your trading, you basically cannot win against people that are doing it. So everybody has to sort of figure out a way to do this. So look, one of the easiest way to use AI trading effectively is that you can in some way give the AI some context and it could give you an answer. So I'm going to give you guys maybe the dumbest example, but still it's very useful because before these technologies, you could not be able to do it. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this Bitcoin chart. By the way, I'll also give you guys a trade by the end of this video. So here we go. I take a screenshot. And then I'm going to show you guys ChatGPT, and I will try to give ChatGPT some kind of task. So I'm just going to come in here, and I'm using the paid version of ChatGPT. It's $20 a month. I think you have to do it. I have on my main ChatGPT account, I pay $200 per month because that's how useful AI is for me. So I don't mind spending a little bit of money on it. But if you're using a free one, yeah, you can also get some results. But I recommend right now, guys, spend a little $20 per month and get yourself a paid Claude or ChatGPT account. So here I'm just going to, you cannot see. Let me just share. There we go. So here you're looking at my chat. I took a screenshot of a chart. Then I'm just going to give it ChatGPT. And I will say, this is a 1 minute chart. Okay, for BTC USDT, I want to trade it. I need you to study the pattern carefully. And I need you to study the chart carefully and find a pattern. And let me know. So basically, we also want to tell you that, okay, imagine you're a quant that develops trading strategies. Imagine you're a quant that develops strategies on Wall Street. This is a 1 minute BTC. I want to trade it. I need you to study the chart carefully and find patterns that can be traded and let me know. Okay, so I'll give it and it will do some thinking and it will come back to me. So what I want to do now is when I'm satisfied with the output, I want it to now develop a script in what we call Pine editor, or what we call Pine script, that you can put into Pine editor, into your TradingView, and then you have your own custom indicator just by doing that. So here it's saying, okay, first thing, Jarvis, the screenshot watermark says 5 minutes, not 1 minute. So you can see ChatGPT is able to correct you when you're wrong. That matters because a pattern that works 5 minutes is not the same as 1 minute scalp. What I see on the chart, clear market structure shift, left, blah, blah, blah. So this is basically, it found something interesting. So now there's a short model and there is a long model here. So what I want to do is just say, okay, I need you to develop a script in Pine script to give me indicators whenever there is a buy or sell. The indicator should be like a blob around the point. Okay, so I can try to do this and it will provide me with Pine script. So within that 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, you can see you could actually trade it within the day. And you don't want to rely on the strategy I'm using here. I'm not creating a quick indicator that I will be using every day. This is a very simple strategy based on what's happening right now. And you can see it's writing Pine script. And what I'll do, I take this Pine script, I'm going to throw it into ChatGPT, and then it's going to start calling indicators and so on. And then I'll be able to use it to trade. That's basically the easiest way you can use AI to sort of help you trade or find patterns and so on. The thing is, this is a very simple way, but the more you know about trading yourself, the more advanced you can actually go with this simple strategy, right? Where you can give it more things to think about. You can give it more pointers, refine what it sees and what it's not seeing until you come up with something that you like. So simply by doing that, I'm in TradingView, in Pine Editor, I'm just going to paste the entire script here. And yeah, let's just call it blob. So basically, this is a strategy. You just created a strategy using AI, and it gave you the code as well. Imagine having to do this back when AI did not exist, guys. You can imagine how crazy it is. Blob strategy. And it has multiple errors here, as you can see. Syntax error without whatever. So you can screenshot this if you don't know what to do to fix them, take them back to ChatGPT, and it will tell you exactly what you need to do until your strategy shows up and you can see some indicators. Basically, that's one way to do it. The second way to do it is now to do a somewhat of an agentic solution where I'm just going to delete this right now. The second one to do is just more of an agentic solution where you rely on something like OpenClaw. So the OpenClaw, the way it works, I can just demo it for you guys quickly. So you got OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an agent, an AI agent that actually does things for you. This is the website, openclaw.ai. You can set it up. I've already demonstrated in other videos on how to do this. You get OpenClaw, you connect OpenClaw to your ChatGPT, okay? And then you also connect your OpenClaw actually to Telegram, right? So your system works like this. You use Telegram or WhatsApp. This can be Telegram or WhatsApp. This is basically the system that I'm using right now. I get Telegram or WhatsApp. I message and then it gets into OpenClaw. OpenClaw will use ChatGPT, or this could be Cloud. I hate this name Cloud because it's like, is it Claude, Cloud? I don't know what's the right way to say. It has to be French. It cannot be English. So you got Cloud and you got Gemini. And then after that, you go on into trading. And this gets into TradingView. Or it gets into OpenClaw again, and then OpenClaw. And then after that, it goes into TradingView and so on, right? TradingView. The difference between these two strategies is that with the first idea that I gave you, the example I gave you is that you just create a script with ChatGPT and then you can be doing those things manually. With this second model is that when ChatGPT and you work together to create a strategy, then you can get the AI bot to just execute on it. So when the blob gives you an indicator to say, okay, time to buy, you use it to go ahead and it does that itself. So you can test a strategy for like a day or a week, be like, okay, bot is just going to be handling this strategy. And then you can observe to see which one makes more sense, which one is more profitable. And you can just keep on keeping the ones that are profitable to you. So basically, that's how it works. Now, I promise you guys to give you some goodies as well on the best deals in crypto right now. And also in AI. You go to graybtc.io, which is my website, link in bio, link in the description. I have all links to the platforms that have the greatest deals in crypto right now. For example, if you're a crypto trader, but you also want to trade oil, gold, and all the other crypto assets out there, or digitized TradeFi assets, Bybit is incredible. They have listed a bunch of those items or tokenized assets with high liquidity. And they have a huge campaign of up to $30,000 for new users. Another deal is going on right now on Wix. Wix is giving away $10 if you're a new user and you deposit a minimum of $50 and you open your first trade, they'll give you another $10 of a bonus. And then you got HashHage, which has a huge campaign, and they will give you 20% discount if you get an account with them. This is a funding platform. If you want to get funded as a crypto trader up to $100,000, you can go to HashHage, use GreatBTC as an invite code, or just use the link directly from our website. You get discount and you get funded from there directly. And then if you're looking for Formula One tickets, you can use OKX to sign up. They have a campaign for VIPs. If you're a VIP or you have a big account, you get on OKX. It's the second largest crypto exchange, so it's no play at all. They are also the sponsors of the McLaren Formula One team right now. So if you use that, you get all these goodies. Just make sure you use the exact links from my website or the ones you find in the description of this video. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Also, obviously, AI deals are here. If you're going to set up your own OpenClaw, you don't want to run your own Mac Mini. That's going to be a lot of annoying work. Use a VPS like I've done. I'm using Hostinger. You can also find it here. They have a one-click solution for you to set up Hostinger. You just click one button. OpenClaw has already been set for you. Your job is just going to be to connect it with your Telegram account or WhatsApp. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay awesome. Thank you for watching.